everyone! This is Ezzy. Hope you're having a good day. Kasi ako, I'm very excited today kasi ngayon, i-share ko sa inyo ang paborito kong gawin sa buong buhay ko. Wow! Ay ang facial. Yan. Hindi porket ngayong pandemic ay lagi tayo nasa loob ng bahay. Hindi na natin take care yung skin natin. So, that's really a bad idea. So, kailangan continuous pa rin yung ating skincare at yung pag-exfoliate natin paminsan-minsan. And if we want to go more extra, so, ito na, gagawin natin yung facial natin at home. Ito yung pinaka-simplest na facial, calling it classic facial or deep cleaning facial. Actually, sa bahay, since kasi wala tayong ginagawa or nalilimutan yung skin natin. Pero, it's really more prone sa dehydration, especially yung mga meron dyang mga aircon sa bahay. Kaya, maganda rin minsan ipamper natin yung sarili natin. Since wala tayong ginagawa, kasi magkilahilata tayo dyan or what. So, let's start! So, na-remove ko na yung makeup with our wipes. So, may mga ano pa yan, may mga konti pang makeup yan. So, babasahin naman natin. So, about sa facial, you can do the facial, yung mga ganitong facial lang. Pwede mong gawin, I think, okay lang ng mga once a week or twice a week or kahit once a month. It's up to you. Pero kasi more on deep cleansing lang siya, so it's okay. We will not use any active ingredients or anything. First step, of course, cleanser. So while doing cleanse your face, you can open na your steamer. Yan, bibili to online. Nabili ko lang siya actually sa sa Gumtree. Yan. Mura ko lang siya nabili. Wow. Okay, yung choice of your cleanser, it depends on your skin type. So ako, alam ko naman yung aking skin type. Ang skin type ko is normal to dry. So, lagi ako may cream cleanser. So, yeah. Let's start with our cream cleanser. Yan. So, habang nagbubuga-buga yung iyong steamer. Yan, para may effects. Smoke. Yung steamer can help na stimulate yung hydration, and also it can help din removing yung toxins. Kasi since nag-stimulate ka ng sweat, so lalabas yung mga oil, excess oil from your excess oil, magsasama rin siya ng mga unwanted debris, lalabas niya sa yung skin. So kaya maganda ang na-steam siya minsan-minsan yung face mo.
A few minutes later.
Exfoliate tayo, scrub. After the first cleanse, we will do the scrub. So while doing the scrub, maganda siyang mag-steam. Kasi malambot na yung pores. Isipin mo, nag-i-escoba ka ng sahig. LOL! Tapos yung nanay mo, pinapagalitan ka. Hindi maayos ang superficial lang kayo around the eyes. Alright. So, banawan na. So, after you exfoliate yung face mo, syempre, gumamit tayo ng scrub. May mga natitira pa rin mga granules dyan. So, dyan mangyayari yung ating pangalawang cleansing. So, yung pangalawang cleansing mo, kasi ako dry face ko and I like using cream cleanser. So, cream cleanser pa rin yung gagamitin ko. But for others, they can use other cleanser like in the form of gel, especially if they have combination skin or oily skin. It's alright. So, nalinis na natin ating mukha. So, ito na yung moment ng steamer. No. You can put on steam for another 5 to 10 minutes. Ako, since dry skin ko and my pores are closed, tight, very tight siya. So, 10 to 15 minutes of steam is good for me para to stimulate hydration. Voila! So, my skin feels so soft after the steam. Ito ang pinaka-paborito kong part. Since malambot ng ating face and alinis ang ating mukha. Yan. So, it's time to assess your face. Actually, ilang linggo kung hindi nag-facial para sa video na to. Para may makuha akong mga blackheads and whiteheads. So, kung nakikita nyo, may mga blackheads and whiteheads ako. So, kung kayo ay marunong, maraming alam regarding sa skincare or nakapag-research kayo ng bongga, pwede nyo gawin to. Pero kung wala pa and you're very beginner sa pag-skincare, wag na. Pumunta ka ng salon or clinic. Okay? So, let's start pricking. So, nagtanggal lang naman ako ng mga superficial na whiteheads and blackheads. Yan. Meron itong sa pag-remove ng mga congestion natin sa mukha. Lagi niyong tandaan, huwag pilitin kapag ayaw. Yun. So, applicable yun sa, hindi lang sa mukha, pati sa buhay. Kasi kung hindi talaga paaga at may resistance, hindi magiging maganda ang outcome. So, kapag may mga ka na dyan na nakita mo nagpo-purple na or sobrang pula na, hayaan mo na siya. Let go. Dahil mo siyang mag-heal. Ganun. Oh, no! So, kailangan nyo ng probably a professional help so you can go to the skin clinic na directly. Pero yung mga normal congestion and nakita nyo yung mga dirt lang from sa mga pollution dyan, okay lang. So, kakaano ko lang para medyo ma-disinfect siya or matanggal lang yung mga sobrang whiteheads, yung mga tinanggal mo, yung mga dead skin. So, you can use your gentle toner. So, after your toner, you can pat it dry. You can now use your serum. So, ako, yung serum ko, favorite serum ko at this time, since kasi mag-winter, it's hyaluronic acid. Yay! This one, it helps to hold water and to plump your skin. So, maganda siyang sa mga dry skin. Actually, for all skin type naman. Pero, syempre, ilang naman yung aking problem. So, for the serum, sinasabi ko na to on my previous videos, ang proper paglalagay niya. Especially ngayon kasi nag-facial tayo. So, medyo intensive ang ating pagka-cleanse ng face. So, ako, nakita nyo, naglagay muna ako ng serum sa mukha. Then, yung mga susunod, itap nyo na lang siya. Kasi concentrated yung mga serum na yan. Kailangan niya ng action para mag-activate at makuha ng ating skin. So, itap-tap mo lang. Yeah, let all those blood circulation flow. Activate. Yan, nalagay na yung ating serum. Ngayon, it's time for relaxation and for to stimulate our lymphatic system by facial massage. So, facial massage is very important while doing the facial kasi hindi lang siya yung arte-arte ng gusto mong gano'n. Pero maraming benefits of facial massage. First is yung firming. So, nakaka-helps to firm. Tapos, it can help to remove the excess of water through your lymphatic system. Yan. Tsaka yung mga toxins, yung mga ganyan. It can help. And also to stimulate yung blood flow. Kapag na-stimulate yung blood flow, magandang mag-absorb yung skin ng ating mga other nutrients na nilalagay natin sa face. So, ako, meron akong water-based oil. Pero meron mga nabibili naman mga massage oil, especially for face. So, spray mo yung stored laging pataas. Okay, so you can do the facial massage 10 to 15 minutes. Hindi kayo nangangalay. Tapos, so pwede nyo siyang bawasan by your, punasan nyo ng cotton or gauze, just a little bit yung oil. Tatap ko lang siya ng tissue. Ngayon, ipe-prepare ko na yung ating mask. So, yung mask na napili ko ay meron siyang glycolic and lactic acid. So, glycolic is good also para mag-activate yung skin, para may konting exfoliation and to brighten. Yung lactic acid, nag-stimulate siya ng it can stimulate hydration. I-explain ko yan, how it works sa ating mga future videos. Gusto ko sa mga masks cream base. So, medyo creamy and in pinky color. O, paano mo siya ilalagay? You can use a hand or kung may brush kayo, it's fine. Okay. So, bigyan nyo lang siya ng few minutes. Pero kapag yung mask, yung pain na nafe-feel nyo is nag-accelerate, you have to wash it immediately with cold water. Kaya ang process, just relax. So, you can leave the mask, yung mga ganitong klaseng mask, you can leave like 15 minutes. And then, yung mga sheet mask, you can go 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, so 15 minutes have passed and ngayon it's time na i-remove yung ating mask. So kaya ako sinabi sa inyo yung sa beginning ng video na kailangan din natin ng towel. So, you can put it in a warm cabinet like I have, or just put a warm water on it. Tapos, squeeze nyo lang. It's okay. Tsaka, syempre, yung mask natin na yan, medyo makapal. Makapal siya. Mahirap siyang i-wash ng water. Warm towel, it's very soothing sa mukha. Nakaka-stimulate siya ng nerve endings. And also, because it's warm, so, nakaka-stimulate pa rin siya ng hydration.
"20 minutes later."
So, what do you think, guys? Do I look rejuvenated? So, ngayon, you can put again your serum, or if you have other things. Sarap ng feeling. Tapos, naglalagay ako ng eye cream. Syempre. And, syempre, tutulog na ako after this one para ma-relax. Mas maganda yung glow till the next day. Wow! So, nilagyan ko ng moisturizer. Then, if you have something for your lips, you can put as well. Ito na pang mask. So, looks so clean and refreshed. So, what can I say?
A few minutes later.
Pa rin, even sa bahay lang kayo, it's okay. And don't forget to drink lots of water and sleep well. So, yan yung mga nagpapa-damage ng ating skin. So, until next time, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay?